You can expect a lot from the 2008 Mercedes-Benz E-Class. This four-door, five-passenger sedan still has fewer than 60,000 miles. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine. Top features include rain-sensing wipers, delay-off headlights, an outside temperature display, and seat memory. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Premium sound drives 12 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Mercedes-Benz ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front and rear side impact airbags, a panic alarm, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. This car was designed with safety in mind, allowing you to drive with even greater assurance. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, providing you peace of mind with detailed information. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.